In today's episode, I'm doing my annual spring tablescape. So if you want to see how it all came together, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today I'm hosting my annual spring tablescape. Now I've been doing this for, I think this is the 6th year now that I've been doing this spring tablescape. Now my wonderful co-host for today's event is Tammy at Her Home Is. Now if you're not familiar with her name, her channel was the Glam Queen of DIY. So she has branched out to other things. So I will have her link to her channel along with the playlist down below in the description. So let's stop babbling and let's jump into this video. First, I'm going to share with you some of the items that I will be using in this tablescape. Now, on this table are all the things that I might be using. I'm not sure if I'm going to use everything. Now the purple wine glasses, I shared them with you in a haul a while back. They came from Ross. The clear champagne glasses, those were thrifted when I was in Louisiana. We went to go visit some family. Now the purple or the lavender plates, those came from Walmart, y'all. They were 50 cents, believe it or not. They were 50 cents a piece, and they are really pretty. Now the pillowcases, they are lavender. They were purchased off Amazon. The saucers here, dessert plates, those I got off eBay. I've had them for a while. The gold candle holders, they were from my wedding. The lavender napkins are from the Tablecloths factory. The purple candles are from Amazon. The table runner is from the Tablecloths factory. And the lavender placemats, they came from Amazon. Now those are new. Now the mold rabbit, you know, they came from the Dollar Tree. And then I have these little picks, and they are what is that plant called? Eucalyptus. I forgot I had those. They were in a little container in the bin. Now that plant on the back, I'm not sure what it's called, but I got that at Dollar Tree. I've had it for a while. The leafy greeny pick, that came from Toomey. I always say their name wrong. They just came in. What is it? This little piece of garland here that has the purple and lavender flower. Now that came from Alpha One from the Amazon. These are my napkin rings. I've had those for a while. They came from Amazon. And I have this white bird and the nest. They're from Amazon too. I've had them a while. I did a spring with birds a while back. The peonies, I love peonies. Those were from Amazon as well. And that's 2 bushels over there, I believe. Now this clear crystal vase, that was a gift from my mother-in-law one Christmas. Now over here I have these cream, well I did share the pillow cover with you on the other one. I have these clear and gold trim charger plates. I've had these for about 5 years and I've never used them. And then the gold flatware, that came from Toomey. So all these things on this table, I've only purchased I think 2 new things. It's the placemats and the lavender, the purple wine glasses. And here's the overall look of everything on the table. So we can jump into this tablescape.
It's hard to leave with you still on my mind, to pack my things and leave it all behind. We better find out why we do the things we do. It took me some time, but I realize now seem to be satisfied till it all goes bad. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit alone and be sad while you fumble the best you ever had? It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. You made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away. Don't play the victim now. Let's state the facts. You're the one who left. I just quit taking you back. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit here waiting on you? I am in a forever or never type of mood. It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. Hey, you made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. on the road. But I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Now I'm really pleased at the way it all turned out. I'm liking my spring tablescape. Let me know what you think down below in the description. You know I love reading your comments. And don't forget to go check out Tammy's channel to see her tablescape, because I know it's going to be outstanding. And also look for the playlist for the other participants. And when you go visit them, tell them that Stephanie sent you. And I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.